Every masterpiece starts with a vision.
No.
Greatness takes patience, precision, but it doesn't always work that way. In this episode, I'll be creating a segmented ring, using two contrasting wood species to create something truly unique. It sounds simple, but I think this is going to be the hardest one yet. Let's get started. Thanks, Google. Segmented rings are like tiny puzzles, made of carefully cut pieces that lock together to form a perfect circle. The secret to a perfect segmented ring is the angles. I'm cutting 8 segments, which means each one needs to be mited at exactly 45 degrees.
Woo.
At this stage, it's hard for me to visualise the end product when you've never seen it done before. This part is all about focus, straight cuts, clean edges and no shortcuts. I didn't trust the tools or myself to cut a straight line, so I had to create this basic jig. Made out of a piece of scrap and a wooden dowel, you can rotate the piece to make the same cut every time. Once the pieces are cut, it's time to see if they will fit together. So far so good, it looked like the jig did the trick. Once the pieces have been arranged, it's time for the glue up. I'm using Titebond Ultimate here, strong, fast setting and perfect for these small joints. This is the point where the ring could go wrong. Rushing the glue up even by a few seconds can mean uneven joints or gaps that show later. Once the glue's dry, we've got a rough blank, a jagged little disc that holds a ton of potential. Some might be happy with that as the ring blank, but I wanted to do something different. For that I stuck the two pieces together and sandwiched a piece of ebony in between. It is an aim of mine to push the boundaries of what is possible in the crafting world to create one-of-a-kind pieces of art, but that doesn't always go to plan.
Nope.
The solution I'd found was to find the largest drill bit I had, drill a small hole in the centre and then dremel the rest out. It seemed to work fine. This is the magic moment, when the edges soften, the curves take form and the segments finally start to look like one seamless design. When shaping the profile, I'm checking the thickness and adjusting by feel. You can't rush this part, you've got to let the wood guide you. Every cut brings you closer to something beautiful. After sanding through the grits from rough to glassy smooth, I move on to the finishing. Today I'm using CA glue. It enhances the grain, deepens the contrast and makes it super strong. And just like that, the wood comes alive. You can finally see the vision take form. The dark and light woods dancing around the ring, all those tiny cuts and careful angles, definitely worth it. Due to the challenges involved and the complexity of the ring, I believe it is a big step forward in my quest to create the world's greatest wooden ring. Let me know what you think. Don't stop there. Why not watch this video next?